everyone, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie.com. I'm a teacher, I'm a crafter, I'm a DIYer, and today I'm going to show you the all-new Flexi Flip from Lila Rose. Most of you know that I am an independent Lila Rose consultant, and we have a new product called the Flexi Flip. So the original Flexi is a lot like it. It has a figure 8 made out of piano wire that's a little flexible and bendable, and it has a stick that has little notches on that you hook into the clip. Well, the Flexi Flip, if you can see this, has notches on both sides. So you can clip it this way and have a lot of hair inside, or you can flip it around the opposite way and have just a little bit of hair inside. And the cool thing about the Flexis is that they're not pulling and tugging on your hair like elastic bands and all. So let me demonstrate. First of all, if I want to wear it on its larger size, I can give myself just a simple low ponytail and click that in there. And there you have it. Cute, cute, cute. But if I want to wear it with less hair, I take it and I'm going to flip it over, and then I can do like a half up with much less hair and stick it in there. Ta-da! It's going to work, and it's going to look really cute. The Flexi Flip is so super versatile. If you only have enough money to buy one Flexi, you get several sizes in one. If you're traveling and you're not sure how you're going to wear your hair the next day or whatever, you can have this one and you can wear it in different styles and in different ways. I will have a link to my Lila Rose replicated website down below for you to go and look and get yourself your own Flexi Flip. Thank you so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell your friends, and have a great day. Toodles.